This video I've got a DeWalt orbital sander. I'm going to show you how to change the belt on it. It's actually a pretty simple process. For some reason your sander is not working right, doesn't have enough tension, or you just break the belt on it. What you want to do is there's 4 T20 screws in the bottom here. You're going to take an impact or screwdriver, just hold the disc to keep it from spinning in your hand. You want to take these 4 screws out. Like so. Once we do that, the bottom pad holder lifts off, and you should be able to see your belt right here. So my belt is actually in pretty good shape. It's a little worn, but if you were missing your belt, when you get your new belt, all you have to do, hook it behind the tensioner, put it up on the groove where it belongs, and just roll it around like you would a bicycle chain. So spin it around and you'll feel it drop in place, and just spin it a couple times. Make sure you're seated properly. When you're done with that, line your screw holes back up. Now if you do have to take that tensioner off underneath there to get your belt off, or if it's broke or stuck or some garbage underneath of it, that tensioner is a opposite thread. So basically it's righty loosey, lefty tighty, which is backwards and normal. So make sure if you're trying to take off the tensioner, which was right there, that you don't actually break it off trying to loosen it because you're tightening it, if that makes any sense. Not sure why they made that one that way. I'm sure because of the way the belt spins around, it keeps it from spinning off. But either way, just don't do it backwards. I'm trying to do this in one shot with one hand, basically. So again, just snug these up. They don't have to be in super tight. Just want them tight enough that they don't spin out. I'm doing this with an impact, and then when I get done, if you want to, you can take a screwdriver, finish snugging them up. But that's all there is to changing the belt in a DeWalt orbital sander. Simple, easy job. Should take you maybe 5 minutes if you take your time in doing it.